Welcome adventurers and DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a crucial skill for anyone transporting heavy loads. Securing cargo safely isn't just about convenience, it's about preventing accidents and protecting your valuable items. Whether it's for a weekend project or an outdoor expedition, knowing how to properly secure a heavy object like this crate is essential. We'll show you a reliable method using rope tension and friction, ensuring your load stays put, no matter the journey. First, let's look at our essential tools. A thick, durable nylon rope is key for strength and longevity. Next, we'll utilize the sturdy hooks found on your truck bed. These provide the anchor points for our tension system. And of course, our heavy wooden crate. Its weight and dimensions demand a secure fastening technique. Now let's begin with step 1, looping the rope. This initial pass sets the foundation for our secure system. Ensure the rope passes smoothly through the hook, creating a stable starting point for the tension. Next, we'll bring the rope over the crate, ensuring it's centered and ready for the tightening mechanism. Step 2 involves forming the crucial tightening loop. This is where the magic of friction and leverage comes into play. Pay close attention to the knot structure. Each twist and turn contributes to the overall strength and security. This specific loop design allows for maximum tension with minimal effort, making it incredibly effective. Now for step 3, demonstrating tension and friction. This is where you'll see the system actively working. As I pull, observe how the loop cinches down, creating immense pressure and friction against the main rope. The fibers of the rope visibly engage, distributing the load and preventing any slippage. This is the power of a well-tied knot. Feel the resistance? That's the friction doing its job, holding the rope firmly in place without additional knots. Now for step 4, securing the crate. With the tension applied, we finalize the hold. The rope is fully tightened and the heavy wooden crate is now firmly in place, unable to shift during transport. Let's check from various angles to confirm its stability. A quick tug test ensures everything is locked down. From the side, you can see there's no slack, no movement. This crate isn't going anywhere. This crate. And from the rear, the entire setup looks robust and ready for the road ahead. In conclusion, we've covered the essential steps for securing heavy objects using rope tension and friction. Remember to always use appropriate rope for the weight and double-check your knots before every journey. Consider adding extra tie-downs for extremely heavy or oddly shaped items. Safety should always be your top priority. With these techniques, you can confidently transport your cargo knowing it's safe and secure. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and happy hauling!